Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is C Programming Language, chapter number 5, Pointers, part 2. Learning course outcomes are handling array using pointer, array and pointer, pointer to 2D array, array of pointer. Array and pointer. As we discussed earlier, array is a collection of same type of elements, that is the same data types, and they are stored in a memory in continuous block. So to access the elements easily, pointers are very useful while handling array. While dealing with the array, if the address of first element is assigned to the pointer, then it will be easy to access all the elements one by one, incrementing or decrementing the pointer. Because all the elements have same data type, so all the uses same memory size. Any operation that can be accomplished by using the array subscript is possible to accomplish by using a pointers also. So address of first element is referred as the base address, and the base address is used to assign the pointer to array. Suppose x of is defined and initialized as below. The x is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So memory map of x will be as follows. That is the table shows the array elements, memory address and position. So x of 0, the array element is 10 and the memory address is 2001. X of 1, data is 20 and the address is 2003. X of 2 is 30 and the address is 2005. X of 3, address is 40, value is 40 and the address is 2007. X of 4, value is 50 and address is 2009. So now to assign a pointer to an array, following statements is used, that is integer star asterisk ptr is equals to address of x of 0. So these element assign the address of 0th array element, that is the first element, is equals to 0 to pointer ptr. So x of 0, the value storing 10, the address is 2001. So the ptr variable giving the address of the memory location, that is a 2001, where the x of 0, 10 is stored. So to access the x of 1, just we need to increment the pointer like plus plus ptr, so that the new address in the ptr will be 2000 plus size of the integer, that is 2001 plus 2 is equals to 2003. So here the x of 1, which are value storing the 20, have the address is 2003. So we can say that if a pointer points to a particular element of an array, then pointer plus 1 points to the next element, pointer plus I points the ith element after ptr. So and the ptr minus 1 points the ith element before ptr, and ptr plus 1 refers to the value of x of 1. Pointer to 2D array. Pointer can be used to manipulate the 2D arrays. We have learned in 1D array that the statement ptr plus I is the memory address of x of I, and the ptr plus 1 plus I is the value of x of I. Similarly, an element in 2D array is represented as ptr plus I plus j is the memory address of x of I and j. And the asterisk of asterisk pointer plus I plus j is the value of x of ij. So in two-dimensional array, p is the pointer of to first row. The star point p points the first element in 2D array, that is element in x of 0, 0. So p plus 1 is a pointer to the row. The star p plus I is points the first element in the ith row of 2D array, that is element in x of I 0, and the star p plus I plus j points the jth element in the row in the ith row of 2D array, that is element in x of ij. The star p plus I of plus I points the element in the ith row and the jth column of 2D array, that is element in I x of ij. Pointer to 2D array. Let's consider 2D array is a x of 4 and 3. So if the int star p is equals to x, then 2D array is shown in figure as 4 is the rows and the 3 are the column. So x of 0 j is p, x of 1j is p plus 1, x of 2j is p plus 2, x of 3j is p plus 3. In column format, x of I0 is a star p, x of I1 is a p plus 1 star 3 plus 1, x of I2 is p plus 3 and 3 plus 2. In a memory, 2D array is stored like row 1, row 2, row 3, row 0, 1, 2, 3. So x of 0, 0, x of 0, 1, x of 0, 2 in row 1, x of 1, 0, x of 1, 1, x of 1, 2 in row 1, x of 2, 0, x of 2, 1, x of 2, 2 in row 2, x of 3, 0, x of 3, 1, x of 3, 2 in row 3. So here to access x of ij, use a star p plus I asterisk size of column plus j. So to access the x of 3 and 2, use a star p plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is equals to star p plus 9 plus 2 is equals to p plus 11. That is the value at the p plus 11. So as we know, the p plus 1 will add the size of data type into value of p, that is if p is an integer pointer and p is equals to 2000, the p plus 1 will be 2000 plus 4 is equals to 2004. Similarly, p plus 11 will be a p plus 11 star 2 asterisk 2 is equals to p plus 22. So value at 2023 location. Array of pointer. As an array of int contains integer values and an array of float contains float values, the array of pointer contains the addresses which points to values of similar data type. So all the guidelines and the rules followed to construct and handle an ordinary array are applied to the array of pointers as well. So array of pointers are used in handling the collection of strings. So array of pointer is declared as shown below. Syntax of declaring an array of pointer is data type, array name and size. For example, to store 3 strings in a character array, following declaration is used. The character string 3 and 10. The size is 3 and 10. The row size is 3 and column size is 10. The array will be look like is in row format. Row 1 str0 of j, row 1 row 2 str1 and j, row 3 str2 and j. So in column str1 and 1 to 0, str1 I to 1, str I to 2, str I to 3, str I4, str I5, str I6, str I7, str I8 and str I9. That is 0 to 9, that is a 10 size. In a memory, it will reserve a 3 multiplied by 10, this is 30 bytes. So instead of reserving memory for string for fixed length, we can use an array of pointers to store strings of varying length. Example 2, its character disk name of 3 is equals to Mumbai, Kolhapur and Pune. So array will look like at the district name of 0th position is Mumbai and the last bit for the null value. I have district name of 1 is equals to Kolhapur and district name of 2 is equals to Pune. And in memory it will reserve a 6 plus 8 plus 4 is equals to 18 bytes. So access a character H in Kolhapur, we can use a district name of I plus 3, that is jth character, and in ith name here the I plus 1 is equals to j plus j, I is equals to 1 is equals to j is equals to 3. So area pointer saves the memory space. Thank you.